right, thank you, Jade. And yesterday at least it was dry for your Saturday, but today it's been very soggy all day long, also very windy. We had the occasional wind gusts this afternoon in the 30s. Now, still very wet on our sky cam. There's a look at the airport. We have a few raindrops still coming down over in the West Palm area. Again, we're going to hold on to that moisture as we go throughout the rest of your evening, even overnight. Now, we do have this frontal boundary to our south. It's been sitting over the Keys, and this is what's drawing in a lot of that moisture that we've been dealing with across the state of Florida. Also, clouds lingering in place as well. The cloud coverage will not go away, but at least we'll get a break from the rain as we go throughout your Monday and even into your Tuesday. Now, there's a look at the radar. 1 hour time left. You can see where we've had the heaviest of rain pretty much in the South County area and also along central portions of Florida, Okeechobee County, and also the Treasure Coast. And as we stop the radar, you can see moderate to heavy rainfall still coming down from Okeechobee to Fort Bassinger, Fort Pierce. No thunderstorm activity, nothing on the severe side, not enough rainfall either to pretty much prompt any flood warnings across the area. But as we take a look for Martin County, a little bit of a break in the rain for you, but some moderate to heavier rain along Boca to Boca West, Delray Beach, and then even further south, this is where we do have an ongoing flash flood warning for the Miami-Dade Broward area, where that's where the heaviest of rain has been. So dangerous conditions, especially along the roadways. So Miami-Dade Broward has seen anywhere up to 2 to even 5 inches of rainfall. This is where the heaviest of rain has set up. And as for our area, we've had some moderate to heavy rain, but only about 1.5 inches there for the Boca Raton area, and then about less than 1 inch from Boynton Beach. Now from West Palm, Jupiter Farms, we saw less than 1/4 inch of rainfall, and even the Treasure Coast, about 1/2 inch there for Fort Pierce, even to Okeechobee. Now we're still looking at 2 more wet days. That's your Monday and Tuesday. Those are going to be the soggiest of days before we start to dry things out getting towards the holiday. So Thursday actually looking really good for Thanksgiving. Now between today, tomorrow, and Tuesday, we could still see anywhere up to 6 inches of rainfall indicated in those areas of purples and oranges, especially for inland portions of Palm Beach County. So this will be over the course of the 3 days. And that's why, again, since the grounds are saturated today, we could see some flash flood warnings and flood advisories issued for tomorrow if we do see this additional rainfall. Now, future tracks showing that cold front eventually dissipating, and that's going to still keep that moisture in place for us as we go throughout your Monday. So we are going to wake up to a few showers by the afternoon, still a little bit on the widespread side. And as we head throughout your evening, we could see some heavy rainfall at times, maybe even a thunderstorm or two for Palm Beach County, even Martin County. A little bit of a break there for the Treasure Coast by 10 o'clock Monday night. Heading into your Tuesday, we're still going to be holding on to the opportunity for some heavy rainfall at times, and even some isolated thunderstorms can't be ruled out. But the good thing is by late afternoon hours into your evening, we're going to dry things out. That drier weather sticks around for Wednesday and Thanksgiving Day. Now, West Palm Beach, we've had the cloud coverage and the rain, and because of those conditions, temperatures were pretty much right where we should be for this time of the year, which is the upper 70s. And for the morning low, we did start off on a warm start, low 70s, where we should start to see those mid 60s for the early morning hours. Now, temperatures currently ranging in the low 70s, mid 60s inland, but we do have that breeze still sticking around northeast at around 18 miles per hour. You can see that rain and the clouds very dreary as we head throughout the rest of your evening. So over the next 12 hours, rain still sticking in the forecast. Temperatures pretty much steady in the mid 70s, so not quite a big difference there over the next 12 hours. But again, on and off showers do continue all throughout the rest of your night and into that first half there of your Monday. Now for beach and boating conditions, small craft advisory in effect through Monday. It's going to be pretty rough offshores. We do have choppy conditions in the intercoastal. Winds will be out of the east up to 20 knots. Seas offshore up to 9 feet, so dangerous waves out there. Also, rip current risk is high, so we are going to be on the lookout again for dangerous conditions. Now, heading into your Thanksgiving Day, it's still going to be on the moist side. We still have moisture and humidity sticking around, but we're going to have another cold front passing through the area Friday, and that's going to drop the humidity, bring in some drier and cooler air for next weekend. So looking good if you have plans for next Saturday and Sunday. So we do have temperatures pretty much near average for your Monday. Rain storms in the forecast. Tuesday, we're going to dry things out for that second half of your day. Looking warm as we head throughout your Thanksgiving Day with low 80s. And then Friday will be that transition cold front day, because after that, it's going to be very chilly, waking up to the upper 50s for your Saturday and Sunday, rebounding only into the mid 70s. That's your first warning forecast.